Do you have a problem with overweight? Introducing the Keto Burn, the easiest way to burn fat. Burn fat faster than ever. In today's carb-heavy world, losing excess fat and maintaining healthy weight management can be very difficult. Now, with just 2 easy-to-swallow Keto Burn capsules, you don't have to struggle to avoid carbs. This convenient supplement helps support your weight control diet and keto lifestyle. The keto lifestyle limits carbohydrate intake in order to stimulate your body's natural ability to use energy it has stored as a reserve. Your body produces natural ketones as an alternative energy source to glucose when you limit carbohydrate intake. Without enough glucose, your body begins to break down fat for energy, which is known as ketosis. This allows you to burn more fat naturally. Keto Burn provides patented and university-studied ketone salts that your body can put to work immediately. It also includes caffeine to keep your energy levels up. Keto Burn may help you better control carb cravings, reduce hunger, lose weight by burning more fat, and even enhance cognitive health. Burn fat for energy, not carbs. Love the way you feel. 100% natural. The solution by your hands. Visit the website in the description for more info and order yours today.